I'm here on Mad TV because I have to introduce the host of tonight's show, Carmen Electra. Wait a minute. Wait. I'm sorry, but before I bring Carmen out, I have to use this time. You see, Maya Angelou said that we as human beings at best can only create opportunities. And I'm gonna use this opportunity the way that I wanna use it. What I wanna say is this world is bull. And that goes out to everyone in this world and everyone who's watching out there in this world. Because, like, when those astronauts went to the moon, they were the only ones who went there, because they were the only ones that did. No, shut up, I'm serious, shut up. This is bull. Because, like, everyone in the world is like, because that's what you all sound like. No, you don't sound like that. You're all really cool, I'm sorry. It's just, it sucks that I have to be in this world, you know? And I wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for my parents, because they were the only ones that could have had me, and they were the only ones that did. Ladies and gentlemen, Carmen Electra. This sucks, because this is my time, and I'm going to use my time. Because Maya Angelou said that this is my time.
Just shut up for a minute, all right? Thank you. All right, you know, this fax just came in. I think you should read it. It's from Maya Angelou.
Dear Flash in the Pan, if you mention my name one more time, I'll kick your whiny little head in.
All right!